Kuma rĩrĩa KPL yoire ũrũgamĩrĩri wa rigi nene ya Kenya mwaka wa 2003, mũbira wa Kenya hatarĩ ũndũ ta nganja nĩ ũkoretwo ũgĩkũra na gĩkĩro kĩnene. Muoroto mũnene wa Kenya Premier League Limited kũheo kĩbarũa gĩkĩ warĩ kũnyihanyihia mbara nyingĩ gatagatĩ ka FKF na irabu cia gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ na gũtongoria ligi hatarĩ na mathĩna.
When you go back to the early years of the mid-2000, you remember there were cases that were just being addressed by the federation, whereby a team would lose a match because probably one player put on a different kind of pair of socks. So I think from there, and the unity the clubs had as we were coming up, we really forged ahead and tried to make sure that KPL became commercially viable.
Kũringana na Oguda, ligi ya Kenya nĩ ĩkũrĩte na gĩkĩro kĩnene na kũrera iheo nyingĩ cia athaki ũkĩringithania na ligi ingĩ cia mabũrũri marĩa matũrigicĩirie.
Last season we had a total of 45 foreigners playing in the Kenyan Premier League. So you wouldn't say that most of our players ran to the other leagues. So I think we are still a force to reckon with, and I think we have more foreign players than the Tanzanian league, just our neighbors here.
Gũtĩrĩrio na gũkanjwo kwa ithurano cia FKF nĩ kĩmwe kĩa maũndũ marĩa marũgamĩtie mĩario gatagatĩ ka honge ici cierĩ ya gũkorwo magĩthiĩ na mbere na kũrutithania wĩra.
We had expected that our elections would have been done in February, the national elections for the FKF. Probably that period would have had a situation whereby we negotiate an extension for the agreement. That didn't happen. As you know, the elections have not been held for the national office. So we are still in a limbo. We don't know whether the next president is going to renew the agreement or not. So it's kind of an uncertainty in terms of KPL running the league the coming years.
No na kũrĩ ũguo FKF kũgerera President Nick Mwendwa matirĩ na mũbango wa kuongerera KPL Ihinda, mũrigo mũnene rĩu arĩ gwetha aigithia kuona aingĩ makoretwo makĩyeheria ũmwe thutha wa ũrĩa ũngĩ.
2018, whereby the government through its tax issues, one of our title partner had to leave. By this time, you know, our contract was almost lapsing. And in 2017, when we increased the league size, our broadcaster SuperSport also terminated the agreement. So I think that those are the points whereby you can say that we had great milestones, because our contract with SuperSport was to end in 2022.